Taking care of your skin isn't a sign of femininity, it's a matter of health and self-care. Just as we nourish our bodies with balanced meals and keep our muscles toned with regular exercise, our skin also deserves attention and care. Men's skin, often exposed to harsh environmental conditions, can greatly benefit from a proper skincare routine. To achieve glass skin as a man, it's essential to maintain proper skincare and diet. At first, you have to understand your skin type, because using wrong products to your skin might work the opposite. To determine your skin type, do the 30-minute skin test. Wash your face thoroughly, removing any previous products. Wait for 30 minutes. After this time, examine your skin in the mirror. The characteristics you see can help you determine your skin type. Oily skin tends to look shiny and may feel slick to the touch. Dry skin often has dry, flaky areas and may feel tight. Sensitive skin may look red and irritated and could be painful to the touch. Combination skin has both oily and flaky areas. Cleansing. Cleansing should be done twice daily, in the morning and before bed. Choosing the right cleanser for your skin type is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. For dry skin, it's important to choose a cleanser that is hydrating and gentle. Recommended products are CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser for oily skin, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, or Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser if you have acne-prone skin use, Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser, or Guernis Acne Facial Cleanser. Moisturizing. Hydration is key for healthy skin. Use a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer to hydrate your skin without clogging pores. Moisturize daily after cleansing. Sun protection. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. Exfoliation. Exfoliate your skin regularly to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. This can be done a few times a week, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Tretinoin. Consider using tretinoin, a prescription-strength retinoid that can help with acne, dark spots, wrinkles, and overall skin texture. However, it requires a prescription and an adjustment period for your skin. Diet and hydration. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Lifestyle changes. Ensure you get enough sleep, manage stress, and avoid smoking, as these factors can impact your skin's health. By following these steps and being consistent with your skincare routine, you can work towards glass skin.